Yo! Wagwan, my people. What's up, my wonderful, beautiful improver fans? Hey, it's been a while since I've done a reaction to the improver. So a subscriber mentioned to me that I should check out Improver's new song, new beatbox. That is called Supermassive. Black Hole. Now, I am intrigued to know what's up because damn, these men are really good. Especially Mr. Tara Stunning. These two men are superb when it comes down to beatboxing, and I'm always impressed with the work, with the combination of tune, with everything. The layout, everything is magnificent, right? So right now we're gonna react to Improver Supermassive Black Hole. So you guys stay tuned for this one. Let's see what's up. Peace.
Don't you know I'm so far? Oh baby, can you hear me more? You got me on the false pretenses. How long before you let me go? You said when we're so right.
Yo, no way. Yo, no way. Yo, bro, no way, no way. Yo, this is magnificent, bro. I mean, like, damn, bro. Yo, that's crazy, bro. That's crazy. That's crazy. No way, dog. Yo, he's killing it, dog. Blah, blah.
You set my soul. I was a fool for no one. Oh baby, I'm a fool for you. You're the queen of the super passion. How long before you tell me true? Stop on so you set my soul.
No, bro. Yo, this is my really good dog. Blah, blah. Mokla, bro. No way, bro. No way, no way. This is smooth as fuck. Yo, this is smooth. Yo, bro. No way, dog. No way, no way. Ain't no freaking way, bro. That's too quick, bro. That's too quick. It shouldn't done so quick, bro. Like I was just getting to enjoy this video. Like I was just getting to enjoy this beatboxing. Fuck, bro, yo. No, bro. That's crazy, dog. Yo, that's good. That's good. Like, that's one of the smoothest beatboxing I've heard. Apart from Mr. Tara Stunning, that's smooth as fuck, bro. That's smooth, bro. Like water sliding down the mirror, bro. That's smooth. Damn, yo, people. If you guys enjoyed this reaction, please leave a like, smash that subscribe button to become a member of the Jamaican Reactor. I'll see you guys in the next video.